crabs are covered in the gravy. Alright friends, let's check out the ingredients. We have with us 3 crabs. We have some fresh curry leaves. We have green coriander. We have half coconut grated. We have a green chilli. We have 4 to 5 onions, 3 garlic pods. We have 1 inch, 2 inch ginger. We have 1 tablespoon and little more of Xacuti masala, dry masala. We have tamarind. We have salt and we have a capsicum. So let us see the ingredients that we are going to first roast. Let's put aside the rest. So what you see here now is the coconut, the green chili, the capsicum, the garlic and the onions, which we are going to roast on pan without any oil. So let's begin with cutting all these. This is what our onions look like after roasting for 10 minutes. Alright, so let us see what we are going to grind. So first we'll add Xacuti masala. Okay, we're going to add the tamarind which I had soaked in a little bit of water. We're going to add the chopped ginger. And then we're going to add the onions, garlic and capsicum that we roasted. We're then going to add the coconut. It's a bit hot, but I'm going to add water immediately. So let's put on the coconut. Okay, let's add water to the pan. Okay, so let's add this water. To that, I'm going to add a bunch of washed green coriander. I'll leave the rest for later. This is enough for the grinding. Okay, that's that. So let's add a little bit of water. So almost half a cup. Now we'll grind. Alright, so masala is done. The consistency is reasonably smooth. I prefer to fry it till I can see some oil, but it's not needed really. This is good as done. So at this time I'm going to add the crabs with the curry leaves. I've just salted or sprinkled. I had sprinkled salt on the crabs. I'm going to do it again. You can taste it later and add. So let's just mix. Do check out my video of fish market visit. where we got crabs and Bombay ducks and some pomfrets and got some mackerel as well. So at this time I'm going to add a cup of water. Not too much. This is hot water. It's for the put in the gravy. That's what we want. So we'll leave it covered to cook for 10 minutes. And after we come back,